Welcome to Practice English Conversations. Are you ready to practice your English and become more fluent? Let's get started.
Hi, Ben. How are you today?
Hi, Alice. I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm fine. Today, I want to talk about my family and my friends. I think family and friends are very important. What do you think?
I agree, Alice. Family and friends are very special to me. They give me love and support every day.
Let me start by telling you about my family. I have a small family. I live with my father, my mother, and my younger sister.
That is nice, Alice. I have a small family too. I live with my mother and my older brother. I also see my father and my grandmother on weekends.
My father is a teacher. He works in a local school and he teaches math and science. I am very proud of him.
My father is a carpenter. He makes furniture and repairs houses. He is very kind and works hard every day.
My mother is a nurse. She works in a hospital. She helps many people. I love my mother because she is caring and gentle.
My mother is a shop assistant. She works in a small store in our neighborhood. She is very friendly and she always smiles at the customers.
I have a younger sister who is in high school. She likes drawing and painting. We sometimes draw together at home.
My older brother is a student. He studies computer science at a college near our home. He is very smart and he often helps me with my homework.
I also have a few cousins. We meet on holidays and family parties. I enjoy these gatherings very much.
I have many cousins. My family meets during the New Year and the summer. We play games, eat tasty food, and share stories. I always feel happy during these times.
Now, let's talk about our friends. Who is your best friend, Ben?
My best friend is Mark. I have known him since primary school. He is funny and kind. We like to play football together on weekends. What about you, Alice?
My best friend is Lisa. We met in college, and we have been friends for 3 years. She loves music and art, and we often go to art exhibitions and concerts together.
I also have many friends at school and in my neighborhood. I like to talk with them, and sometimes we go to a cafe after school.
That is great. I have a small group of close friends. We sometimes meet in a park, have a picnic, and talk about our lives. I like these moments very much.
Do you remember any special memory with your family or friends, Alice?
Yes, I have many good memories. One of my favorite memories is from last summer. My family and I went on a small trip to the beach. We spent the day playing in the sand, swimming in the sea, and eating ice cream. It was a very happy day.
That sounds wonderful. I also have a special memory. Last year, my family and I had a big birthday party for my mother. We invited many relatives and friends. Everyone sang, danced, and ate delicious food. I remember feeling very loved and happy that day.
Family gatherings are so important. I always feel warm when I am with my family.
Yes, I feel the same. My family gatherings help me feel connected and supported. Even when we have small problems, we always help each other.
I like to call my family on special days. On my birthday, I always call my parents and my sister to say thank you for their love.
I do that too. On my birthday, I call my mother and my brother. I also send a message to my friends. It is nice to know that people care about you.
Friends are also like family. I remember one time I was very sad because I lost my wallet. My friend Lisa called me and helped me look for it. We found it after a short time, and I felt so relieved.
That is a good story, Alice. I have a similar memory. One day I felt very lonely because I missed my family. My best friend Mark came to my house. We talked and played football in the yard. That day, I learned that true friends can help you when you feel alone.
It is very nice to have a friend like that. Friends make us feel strong and happy.
Yes, they do. I believe that both family and friends help us grow. They teach us about love, trust, and support.
I also have a memory from a family holiday. Last winter, my whole family went to visit my grandparents in a small town. We stayed there for 3 days. My grandmother cooked traditional food, and my grandfather told us old stories. I learned a lot about our family history that day.
That is very interesting, Alice. I remember last Christmas, my family and I had a big dinner at home. We decorated the house with lights and a Christmas tree. We sang carols and played games. I felt very happy and grateful for my family.
These memories are very special to me. They remind me that no matter what happens, my family and friends are always there for me.
I feel the same way. Every time I think about my family and my friends, I smile. They are a big part of who I am.
Sometimes I also think about the small things we do together. For example, cooking dinner together or watching a movie in the living room. These small moments make me happy.
I agree. I remember a day when my brother and I cooked a meal together. We made pizza from scratch. Even though it was messy, it was very fun, and we laughed a lot. That is a memory I will never forget.
Cooking together is a wonderful way to bond. I also like to visit my friends' houses. We sometimes have a small party at home. We share snacks, play board games, and talk about our dreams.
That sounds like a great time. I have also been to my friend's birthday party where we played music and danced. It was one of the best nights I have had in a long time.
Do you think that spending time with family and friends helps you in your everyday life?
Yes, it does. When I am with my family, I feel safe and loved. When I am with my friends, I feel relaxed and happy. They give me energy and help me face the challenges of each day.
I agree. I believe that love and support from family and friends make life much better. Even on hard days, I know that I can call someone and feel better.
Family and friends also help us learn new things. I have learned how to be patient, kind, and strong from my family. And my friends have taught me about fun and adventure.
That is true. I learned about creativity and hope from my friends. They always encourage me to follow my dreams and try new things.
Sometimes I also think about how important it is to make new friends. Meeting new people can be exciting. They bring different ideas and cultures into our lives.
Yes, meeting new friends is a good experience. I like to learn about other people's traditions and ways of life. It helps me understand the world better.
Do you have a friend from another country, Alice?
Yes, I have one friend from Spain. We met online and now we talk every week. I enjoy learning a few words in Spanish from her. It is fun and helps me practice languages.
That is very nice. I also have a friend from Canada. We share our stories and sometimes send gifts to each other during the holidays.
I think these international friendships are very special. They show us that love and friendship are universal.
I have one more question. What is your favorite family tradition?
My favorite family tradition is our Sunday dinner. Every Sunday, my family gathers around the table. We eat together, share stories, and sometimes play games. It is a simple tradition, but it makes me very happy.
That sounds wonderful. My favorite tradition is the yearly family picnic in the park. We all bring food, play games, and enjoy nature together. It is a day full of laughter and fun.
I love that idea. Family traditions are important because they help us remember the good times and keep us close.
Yes, and they create memories that we can cherish forever.
I feel lucky to have such a loving family and such kind friends. They help me grow and give me strength.
I feel the same way, Alice. I am very grateful for my family and my friends. They are my support system, and they make my life richer.
Let's promise to always keep in touch with our family and friends. Even if we are busy, a small phone call or a visit can make a big difference.
I promise, Alice. I always try to call my family on weekends, and I meet my friends whenever I can. It is very important to me.
I think we should also plan a get-together soon. Maybe we can invite our friends and have a small party. It will be a great way to share our memories and create new ones.
That is a great idea. We can choose a day when everyone is free. We can have food, music, and games. I am sure it will be a fun day for all of us.
I look forward to that day. Thank you for talking with me about family and friends, Ben. It makes me happy to share my thoughts and listen to your stories.
Thank you, Alice. I enjoyed our conversation very much. It is nice to remember the happy moments and the people who make our lives special.
I hope we continue to create more beautiful memories with our family and friends.
Yes, I believe that every moment with family and friends is a gift. Let's always take time to appreciate them.
Have a wonderful day, Ben, and give my regards to your family and friends.
Thank you, Alice. I will. Have a great day too, and I hope we meet again soon to share more stories.
Goodbye, Ben.
Goodbye, Alice.
Great job practicing with us today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next English conversation. See you in the next video. Keep practicing and stay confident.